If you're charged with a DUI but have never been in trouble with the law, does that matter in your DUI case? That is what I'm going to cover in this video. I'm Dan Joffe, DUI lawyer at Nextlaw. Let's get started. Many people charged with a DUI have never been in trouble with the law. Most have clean criminal records and clean driving abstracts. Most are not alcoholics. In other words, these are people with a good character. We see many situations where someone had a few drinks and genuinely thought they were okay to drive, but legally they were not. Their blood alcohol reading was over 80 and they were charged with over 80 or impaired driving. How will their good character play into the prosecution of their DUI case? And the answer is, it depends on the facts. When the Crown, who is the lawyer representing the Canadian government, reviews your case, they consider two tests. First, is there enough evidence to secure a conviction? And second, is it in the interest of justice to move ahead with your DUI case? If the answer is no to either question, the Crown cannot pursue your DUI charge. Assuming there is enough evidence to secure a conviction, then would your good character mean that it would not be in the interest of justice to pursue the charge against you? In other words, would the Crown look at your case and withdraw the charge because of your good character and clean record? And the answer is no. Impaired driving over 80 and refusal to take a breathalyzer test are serious charges. The Crown will not withdraw these charges even if you have a perfect clean record. But that does not mean that your good character won't help you. It will be one data point that the Crown will consider as they prosecute your impaired driving over 80 or refusal to take a breathalyzer case. The Crown will look at all the facts of your case in totality, including your good character. The Crown will consider a number of factors, including your blood alcohol readings, whether there was an accident or not, your interactions with the police officers that arrested you, and whether you were alone in your vehicle or whether you had passengers, including kids. If the facts of your DUI are not aggravating, then your good character would play some factor for the Crown to consider as they prosecute your DUI case. And those facts, as considered in totality, may result in a better outcome than it would have been if you had a background that was not clean. Finally, if you've been charged with drunk driving, DUI, impaired driving, or refusing a breathalyzer test, your legal strategy can make the difference between winning and losing. Reach out. Let's have a confidential discussion about your case. The call is free, and you can book a time by clicking on the link in the description below.